Good afternoon, guys. I actually had a subscriber request a video for chicken wings. So that's what we're going to do today. A subscriber requested cooking video for chicken wings. Now that subscriber, in all honesty, it was Tanner, but I mean, he is a subscriber and he asked me for a chicken wing video. I thought I needed a name for these wings, and I'm gonna call them Trump wings, cause these wings ain't no bullshit. We're gonna start off with our binder, a little bit of mustard. We're just gonna rub these wings down real quick. Just a light little coat to help hold on these delicious seasonings we're gonna put on them. We're gonna rub them in with our hand. Oh yeah, that mustard. Ooh yeah. Rub them chicken wings. Chicken wing, chicken wing. Okay, never mind. If y'all on TikTok, you know what I'm talking about, but I ain't gonna sing the whole song for y'all. Hot dogs and bologna. You know where I'm coming from? Y'all ever watch me on TikTok? Pretty fucking funny. No, I'm not really. I'm just some old dude. Alright, we got our little bit of mustard rubbed in. We're gonna turn all the chicken wings this side up. Now, one thing you gotta know about chicken wings. Chicken wings don't absorb. They don't absorb a lot of the seasoning. It kind of sits on top. So you want to kind of lightly season your wings. So we're going with a light coat of Boar's Night Out. Hold on, let me show y'all Boar's Night. I don't know if y'all seen this. I know I cook with it a lot. Let's see. Can y'all see that okay? Those Sony. Supposed to be freaking badass. You know, focus and shit. We're gonna do a light coat. Light coat. Can y'all see? Can y'all see what a light coat I'm putting on? We're just dusting. That's a good name for what we do to wings. We just dust them. Now, just went and bought this. Shameless plug. What's the name of the store? Memphis Barbecue Supply. Hey, I might even hashtag them on this video. Cosmos Dirty Bird. Not the hot dirty bird, just a regular dirty bird. And we're gonna dust them. Just a sweet little layer of dust. Wings aren't like butts and ribs and stuff that you can just really pound the seasoning on. You'll wind up with like some real salty wings or some real whatever flavor you're using. It'll overpower the wings. We like the taste of chicken. Now, a little dusting on the other side. Oh yeah, oh. This Boar's Night Out. White Lightning. That's good shit. I don't know if you can get it where you're from, but if you can't, let's see. See if they got a website on here somewhere. www.boarsnightout.com. They sell a lot of seasoning. Cosmos, you probably heard of Cosmos. It's all over YouTube. It's actually good. I'll give them credit. It's Texas. It's from Texas, but we ain't gonna hate on Texas. I've actually still got some of that Alabama white sauce left over. Probably gonna use some of this. Probably gonna use some of that white sauce on these wings. We got the grill heated up, ready to go. This is gonna be an appetizer. We're gonna pair them with some pepperconis and probably some spring onions. A little snack before we get to our pork chops. We're gonna do pork chops tonight, and we're gonna do some more baked beans. Man, I've been just on baked beans lately. I don't know why, but I just been loving some baked beans. So I'm not gonna waste any video with the baked beans part, but pretty much we got our chicken seasoned up. We're ready to put them on the grill. Now we do have our chicken over here on the cold side of the grill. We got our charcoal over here. I'll show you a little shot of that real quick. There's our charcoal. And there's our super overexposed chicken. Appetizers are getting ready. We'll put these chicken wings around one more time. And we're gonna put some sauce on top of them. I'll tell you about the sauce here in just a second. See, we got some jalapeno poppers. We want some slow cooking wings right here. All right, we got all our wings flipped over. Then we're gonna put Memphis Minis on there. Can y'all see that? Memphis Mini. I'll tell you about Memphis Mini in a minute. We're gonna pour it over the top of the wings. Kind of some sweet Memphis barbecue sauce. Ooh. Man, this stuff right here. How to brush it all in. Oh yeah, smooth that stuff up real good. Well, it appears I ran out of SD card space and I had to do a bunch of deleting, so I'm not quite sure what y'all got to see on that. But we just put Memphis Minis on our chicken wings. It's a nice little sweet barbecue sauce. If y'all want me to, hold on, I don't even know if y'all can see me. I'll tell y'all about Memphis Mini, cause it's written right here on the back of the, there's the front, Memphis Minis. So Memphis Mini was a pioneer in the blues music, known from Tennessee throughout the Delta. She wrote her own songs, played her own guitar, and picked her own men to share a glass of whiskey with. It's in that spirit of independence. Good times inspired us to make an old Delta recipe. When you planning on some good times with friends and some tasty hot wings, invite Memphis Mini. Word has it, she'll be the life of the party. And adding some good music and some fancy dancing. There you go, guys. The story of Memphis Mini. Now our appetizers are almost ready. We'll start on our pork chops. And we're also going to call these pork chops Trump pork chops. Because these pork chops ain't no bullshit. So we're starting off a little bit of rub and mustard. And usually when I'm cooking, I kind of keep my flavorings in the same ballpark. So we're going to do the same thing with our pork chops. Except for we're going a little bit heavier on the dustings of the White Lightning. And we're gonna go a little bit heavier on our Dustin Dove Cosmos. There we go. And we're gonna pat that seasoning down a little bit so it sticks. Let's flip them over. And we're going to season them up. They already look good. We're going to start pulling the appetizers off. It's 5:15. Mom is getting hungry. We'll cover these up. Let them just kind of sit here for a minute. While we get those appetizers off, Mommy can get her something to eat. We can start working on some cornbread. Ooh, them appetizers are about ready. Woo. Guys, got them jalapenos pulled off. They're cooked perfectly. We got the pork chops on. I'm fixing to go start some cornbread. Can't give y'all the cornbread recipe yet. I don't know if we're that close. But man, I've got a great cornbread recipe. I'm gonna save it until I have like 5,000-6,000 followers. So start following now. If you want to know how to cook some badass cornbread. Well, this is the aftermath. There's literally food all over like the nasty ass kitchen. Totally jacked up fried cornbread. That's okay. There's some pork chops. They look pretty sweet. Well guys, there's our cooking video for the evening. Hope y'all liked it. Hope y'all could follow along okay. Hope y'all aren't pissed off because I started drinking Jack Daniels about 3 hours ago, but hey, peace out. Uncle Ron loves you.